Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see basic data types in Python. In the last video, we saw a simple Python code where we had used three variables. Now, today we are going to see the data types in Python. First is an integer. To store any number without any decimal point, we make use of integers. In Python, they are called as integers. So here, when I say z is equal to 5 divided by 2, I'm trying to divide 5 by 2. The answer will be 2 in integer. You will not get it as 2.5 since z is an integer. If I want the result to be in decimal points, I have to declare z as a float. If I declare z as a float and I say 5 divided by 2, then it will give me 2.5 as the answer. Next is floats. As I told you, if I want to store something in decimal, I have to make use of floats. Third data type is your string. You can either use double quotes or single quotes to declare a string. Here we can see that anything enclosed in double quotes like ABC is enclosed in double quotes. This is a string. And if it is enclosed in all single quotes, then also we call it as a string. Fine. Here we can see that if I try to compare this ABC with this ABC, the only difference is of double quotes, but both are same because the declaration can be in any form. Either you can use a single quote or you can use a double quote. So this will give me that both the strings are same. Next is unmatched can occur within a string. That is, if I want to use a single quotes inside the string, that I can do. So what I have to do? Double quotes, single quotes, and then close this double quotes. This is also a string. Similarly, if we want something on multi-line, on two lines, if the string goes on two lines, we can make use of triple double quotes. Double quotes has to be in pairs. So if you are using it thrice, if you are opening it thrice, you have to close it thrice. That's all for today.